The name's Mac. Big Mac. 008 they call me. On a mission. Ran out of weapons. Well, they didn't even bring any. And we just got some maniacs out there. To start with, 00 Cherry is out there. Then 00 Biscuits is out there. This is a dangerous.
It's 0011.
Uh-oh. He's coming. Alright. I'm moving in. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Grenades!
Where? What? Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Oh.
This is for my name! Yeah! Double A's come this way!
Dun-dun-dun.
No!
Wow, that was easy.
This is never yet.
Well.
I'll have my revenge! Oh, that cost me. I'll have my revenge too!
Well, Dr. Cherry. Kiki.
What do you want with me?
Kick. The secret ingredient to Kool-Aid.
I'm never telling you! It's mine! Sugar! And mine only! Double eight! It's sugar.
Oh.
That's wrong!
Well, it looks like we got the secret. Hey, you! Give me the ingredient to the biscuit. Boom! Well, we have you.
Sugar!
Sugar? Anything else?
Never telling you!
Food coloring, maybe?
No! Never! You'll never get it out!
And food coloring.
Never!
How dare you! You're a disgrace to Powerade!
What?
Kids drink your drinks and they get fat like you.
I'm just fat, I'm just big boned!
You're not so cherry after all.
Yes, I am!
It's actually sweetened though.
Oh, well. Okay then.
And I'm the only one that has the key to the Sweet Little Factory!
Oh, you mean this one right here?
What the deuce?
Yeah, this one right here. Well, better go open the factory gates.
No!
Well, yep, it's sugar and food coloring. Thank you for this exciting mission. Thank you for this exciting mission. Thank you, Biscuit. Now, fall down. Okay, thank you. Narcase wrapped.
You're welcome.
Okay, well.
You'll never get the last of 00 Cherry!
Well,
You hurt my arm!
I guess we'll find another ingredient. I don't know, a plot line for story 2. There it is again. Well, I'll figure out a plot for story 2. Thanks for joining.